see there, that's just in camera. That is not in person. That camera's kind of making it flicker, kind of tweaking a little bit there, but it does not do that in person. You'll see that with a lot of LED lighting, gauges, headlights, LED running lights, things like that. All right, let's check out the top. Now there's also no window tint on this car, which is really cool. Top here looks good. Tempered glass. That is in great condition. Now when we look at that front windshield, I've seen this before, but you can see the flaws in the glass. Kind of going up that top section. That is an OEM windshield from GM there. Here on this side, that looks good. That is a really, really clean top. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. And one thing to note, this car, once I saw the miles, I actually didn't believe it because how clean this car is. You can just tell they took care of it. They enjoyed it, they put miles on it, but they took care of it. Looking at that chrome wheel, that's in great condition. Looks really, really nice. Here on the tires, date code 2016. They're Michelin's Sport All Season Plus. Look at that caliper, how pretty that is, even up close on the details. You got a vinyl here, so that could be removed. That looks good. Nice and clean. I do see some little markings right here. Almost looks like a hose from a car wash or something kind of rubbed it. If you can see that. Looking on the side mirror, a couple small rock chips. That looks good. I see a really light scuff there. Really light one here. And those don't catch my nail, so I think those could be something that could be paint corrected out. There's just a few light ones. I see some rock chips on that very edge. And then a few here. And then you're gonna see a few small chips there. And then looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really good. I mean, even the barrels, those are really clean for almost 70,000 miles. So you can definitely tell they took care of this car. Looks good. Even looking at that front end, I feel like it's really clean. A few rock chips here. That looks amazing. Even getting up close. Very clean. That looks good. Little impacts, little rock chips. Of course, with 70,000 miles, you're gonna get that. But I feel like it's very minimal. You do have some scratches and little gashes here that have been touched up. One right there. A little bit of rash. Got some touch-up spots down here. A little crease there. Very subtle though. Touch-up spot there. Looking at that wheel. That looks really good. Like I said, those can be removed. They're just like a vinyl. Looks nice. Here on the side mirror, you do have some little scratches, little scuffs, a couple touch-up spots. Making our way down the door. Overall, that looks good. Quarters clean. That wheel looks nice. Here on the deck lid, from what I can tell there, that looks really good. Taillights are nice and clean. Same with that one. You do see a large gash right there. You can see how clean the exhaust tips are. They look awesome. So a couple little scuffs and scratches, but for 70,000 miles, that looks really good. All right, let's check out this interior. Absolutely gorgeous. One thing to note, it is a non-smoker and it smells so fresh in here. And that's something you can't really get on camera, right? Just how clean and fresh a car feels and smells. All the material is really nice. Tiny little scuff there, Bose audio. Looking at that trim, that looks good. Here on that bolster, a little bit of wear. You're gonna see the flaws right there. And then one thing here on that very edge, I do see that kind of popping out, and it looks like it's been pushed in and maybe glued in. But feeling the rest of that seat, super soft, nice matte finish to it. You kind of glide in these seats. Here on the steering wheel, you do have the shine, which, I mean, of course, 70,000 miles, you're going to get that, but very light little scuffs here and there. Otherwise, in great condition. No heads-up display. Upper side of the dash looks good. Screen's nice and clean. I mean, even looking at that shifter, beautiful. See a tiny little ding right there on that metal, super common. Typical wrinkle there on that lid. Put a new lid on there, look cool aftermarket one. You know, maybe with the Corvette logo or something. But other than that, this interior is beautiful. And like I said again, the smell, it smells fresh, it smells clean. Like they never had food in here, you know. Just a cruising car, probably did a lot of highway driving. And you can tell just how well they kept it up. Looks good. Here on that door panel, looks good. I do see a gash right there on the edge of that button. The rest of that's clean. That looks good. Really nice floor mats, super plush. A little scuff there, but otherwise that bolster is really nice. Very minimal wear on there. A little bit of wear here, probably from the seat belt. A couple little markings, but overall very nice. Still has a beautiful matte finish to it. This side of the console, nice and clean. Underside of the glove box looks good. Buttons look nice. Upper side dash is clean. But look at it. Has no shine to it. Has that nice matte finish to it. Really, really pretty. Nice little attention to detail here. That looks good. Carpets are in great condition. Alright, checking out the engine bay. That cover is in great condition. Plastics are nice and clean. Like I said, you can tell they definitely took care of this car. You would never know it had the miles that it does. That looks really good.